It's the final weekend of November 2020. I am out hunting for white-tailed deer. I have one more tag to fill, and I'm really hoping that I can come across a white-tailed doe or a white-tailed buck. Hi everyone, I'm Dan, and welcome to another episode of DC Outdoors. If this is your first time here, and you enjoy outdoor adventure videos, gear reviews, and other outdoor-related stuff, well then get started by clicking subscribe and clicking the bell button so you receive notifications and you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. It's November 27th, Friday, November 27th. About 20 after 9 in the morning. I was a little late getting set up today, but I'm out here in my blind. I have today, tomorrow, and Sunday if I need it to fill my last deer tag. Due to the lack of time I have out here, I don't think I'm going to be very particular, and I think if I have the opportunity to take a buck or a doe, I'm definitely going to take it. It's a nice morning today, probably just above freezing, so it should be pretty comfortable to hang out here in the blind. We'll see how it goes. Everybody, it's about 20 after 1. I relocated to my second blind, which is basically on a gas line. I'll include some footage about how I got over to this blind, but basically I got a lead that there was some pretty good movement over here in the afternoon, so I worked my way through and saw quite a lot of good sign on my way here. Tracks, some little rubs, scrapes, lots of deer poop. So anyway, on my way here I did spray a little bit of doe and estrus around me, and I'll plan on trying a bit of the bleat call, maybe some grunts, and maybe a little bit of rattling tonight. Hoping the plan comes together, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, well that's pretty much all she wrote. It is Friday evening. Definitely this season is getting under my skin. I've had my last few sits with really no action, and it's been pretty frustrating, so I don't know, hopefully I can put my chin up and have a bit of luck tomorrow. I still have Saturday, and I do have some time on Sunday if I need it. I will check in with you in the morning. Good day, everybody. It is Saturday, and it's probably around 11:30 in the morning. I started the day out in the gas line blind, and I hung out there for a couple hours, 2-3 hours, and I didn't see anything. So I decided to go for a little bit of a hike through the bush. I found a game trail with some fresh deer footprints, and I followed it for a bit. We got maybe about a half an inch of snow overnight, so I knew that the track was fresh. I followed it for a little bit, but did not bump anything, didn't see anything. So I'm now back in the other blind, and yeah, I'll probably hang out here for the night. It's a little bit windy right now. It's only about minus 3 degrees Celsius, but according to my phone, with the wind, it feels like about minus 8. I got a little bit sweaty going through the bush, so I'm just hanging out in here and kind of just letting my body cool down a little bit and let that moisture evaporate off. I had a sandwich, and yeah, I'm soon just gonna get comfortable here and get ready for the afternoon hunt. I will check in with you as the day goes on. Alright, folks, that about does it for Saturday. Very slow day, and I just saw 2 deer cross out on the neighbor's side of the field, well out of shooting range, and pretty much after the end of the day. So anyway, I'm going to pack up and head back to the trucks, and I will catch up with you in the morning, hoping for some last minute luck tomorrow. Check in with you in the morning. Hey everybody, it's Sunday. I think it's the 20. Yeah, it's the 29th. It's around 10:30 in the morning. It's been a super slow morning so far. Haven't seen anything. It was probably about minus 9 or minus 10 degrees Celsius out this morning. And last night was really bright. There was a full moon. And yeah, you could pretty much see all over last night without even needing a headlamp. It was crazy. So I think with that in mind, I'm not too surprised I'm not seeing anything today. Kind of got the sense that maybe the deer would be running like crazy last night, and then just bedding this morning when it's been a bit cooler. But I plan on sticking around for maybe a few more hours, so I hope to get some luck. After a quiet morning with no deer activity, I decided to pack up and conclude my 2020 deer season. The last weekend of November was a real grind, and I'm thankful more than ever for the deer I was able to get with my bow earlier this season. If you love hunting videos, check out my successful bow hunt video by clicking here. And if you enjoy outdoor adventure videos, gear reviews, and other outdoor related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Until next time, we'll see you outdoors. Thank you so much for watching.